Mainline High Flow Variance Shutdown. The message reads, Mainline High Flow Variance Shutdown, January 1st, 2021 at 8:30 a.m. Priority is high. Mainline equals 1, zones equal 13, 19, 23. Variance threshold versus actual equals 20 versus 33.1. Expected versus actual flow equals 30 versus 37.2. Mainline zones are shut down. What happens now? The master valve closes, Mainline 1 has no pressurized water, and no water will be supplied to the zones on Mainline 1 until the variance message is cleared. On this site, the master valve is closed, so Mainline 1 is isolated, and all zones downstream don't have water. Mainline 2 isn't affected, though. A common cause for Mainline high flow variance could be a broken mainline. It could also be a zone valve on Mainline 1 that's stuck open and creating a high flow situation. Or it might be that the flow variance limit is just set too low. Looking at the message again, we see that zones 13, 19, and 23 are impacted because they're on Mainline 1. Notice that the variance threshold is measured as a percentage. The controller was allowing a 20% variance, but actually saw a 33.1% variance. The expected and actual flows are measured in gallons per minute. The controller expected 30 GPM from zones 13, 19, and 23 combined, when in fact it saw 37.1 GPM. The controller attempted to shut down zones 13, 19, and 23, but that didn't resolve the problem. That likely means the problem is related to the mainline pipe or another zone on that mainline. Troubleshooting a mainline flow variance involves finding and repairing the broken mainline, or finding and repairing a stuck open zone valve. There's a possibility that the flow variance limit is too low, so it may need to be adjusted. Lastly, look for any unexpected flow on Mainline 1. Unexpected flow can involve quick couplers, manually bleeding valves, or any other flow that the controller is not aware of. Once the issue's been resolved, clear the message to begin irrigating again. You'll find the flow variance limit in the Flow Setup tab under Mainlines. At Flow Management, I have a 20% variance, which is a good starting point. The shutdown box is checked, so there's both a message and a shutdown if the limit is exceeded. You may find that Advanced Flow Variance works better for you. This allows you to set different percentages for various expected flow ranges. For example, when the controller expects 25 GPM of combined zones, I've set a 30% variance. When the controller expects a 300 GPM of combined zones, I can set a tighter variance of just 5%.